When we start doing the surface area of composite objects, the first thing we notice is that we have two together and we have to figure out what they are. And this is a triangle on top of a rectangle. You can see it here. We've got a smaller version of it. We have a triangle on top of a rectangle. Now the area where the triangle sits on top of the rectangle is called the area of overlap. And that's an area that you can't count that as surface area because you can no longer touch it. As you can see, I can no longer touch the bottom of the triangular prism or the top of the rectangular prism in that space that is now covered. So the area of overlap would be considered the area where they meet that you can no longer touch anymore. In this case, it is 3 by 4. This is 4 long here and 3 wide. So 4 times 3 equals 12 centimeters squared of overlap. And you can see that here because if we pick this up, we can no longer touch this part here. We can no longer touch this part here. So we have an area of overlap for this one of 12. And we have an area of overlap for this one of 12. So if we were doing a total surface area, we would have to subtract 12 from here we can no longer touch, and 12 from here we could no longer touch. We would have to subtract 24 total, but the actual area of overlap itself is 12. 12 for the bottom of the triangular prism, and 12 for the spot here that we can no longer touch.